Welcome to Sugosha Defense News. The highlights. ADE issues EOI for design and development of sense and avoid system for medium high altitude long range endurance UAVs. Adani Defense and Thales Group to manufacture 70 rockets in India, bringing a big boost to Rudra and Prachand helicopters. Megha Engineering bags rupees 12,800 crores NPCIL project in Karnataka. The startup from IIT Jammu, led by Dr. Shanmugadas, won the open category of TDF's Dare to Dream 4.0 Innovation Contest. High-speed expendable aerial target ABHYAS successfully completes developmental trials with improved booster configuration. Indian Army constructs 70 feet Bailey Bridge in flood-hit Sikkim in less than 72 hours. India to establish domestic maintenance and repair for S-400 air defense systems. The third INDUS-X Summit to take place in Silicon Valley in September. International Monetary Fund releases Artificial Intelligence Preparedness Index for 174 countries. The global highlights. DARPA unveils hybrid electric stealth drone project. Germany approves funds to develop supersonic weapon, buys thousands of missiles. Amentum selected to deliver hypersonic technologies and capability development services to UK Ministry of Defence. Hanwha Aerospace awarded the DAPA contract to supply F414 engines for KF-21 fighter. Embraer delivers second KC-390 Millennium aircraft to Portuguese Air Force. The Aeronautical Development Establishment (ADE) is presently in the process of developing technologies for sense and avoid system for unmanned aerial vehicles. In this regard, an expression of interest has been issued for the same from interested and competent Indian industry partners only. The due date for this EOI has been declared as 25th July 24. Adani Defence and Aerospace has signed an agreement with Thales to manufacture 70 rockets locally. The 70 rockets produced under this partnership will be used by the HAL Rudra and Prachand helicopters, critical assets in India's military operations. The HAL Rudra, a weaponized version of the Dhruv advanced light helicopter, is equipped with air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, rockets and cannons. The HAL Prachand, known for its high-altitude warfare capabilities, also relies on advanced weaponry system. Local production of these rockets will ensure a steady supply, enhancing the operational readiness of the armed forces. Megha Engineering has bagged a rupees 12,800 crore engineering procurement and construction contract from the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. The tender, which is the highest ever in value called by NPCIL, is for the construction of 2 into 700 megawatts electrical reactors at Kaiga in Karnataka under the Department of Atomic Energy. DRDO has successfully completed 6 consecutive developmental trials of high-speed expendable aerial target heat (ABHYAS) with improved booster configuration from the Integrated Test Range Chandipur in Orissa. With this, ABHYAS has successfully completed 10 developmental trials demonstrating the reliability of the system. The trials were carried out with improved radar cross-section, visual and infrared augmentation systems. During the trials, various mission objectives covering safe release of booster, launcher clearance and endurance performance were successfully validated. 2 launchers were conducted back-to-back within a gap of 30 minutes, demonstrating the ease of operation with minimum logistics. ABHYAS has been designed by DRDO's ADE in Bangalore and developed through production agencies Hindustan Aeronautics and Larsen and Toubro. It offers a realistic threat scenario for weapon system practice. This indigenous system is designed for autonomous flying with the help of an autopilot, a laptop-based ground control system for aircraft integration, pre-flight checks, and autonomous flight. It also has a feature to record data during flight for post-flight analysis. The booster has been designed by Advanced Systems Laboratory and the Navigation System by Research Center Imarat. With identified production agencies, ABHYAS is now ready for production. Army engineers of Trishakti Corps constructed a 70 feet Bailey Bridge on Gangtok's Dikchu Sanglang Road within 72 hours to restore connectivity to areas cut off due to recent floods in Sikkim. The work started on 23rd June and completed within 72 hours, working under challenging weather conditions. The bridge is an important link to enable vehicular traffic from Dikchu to Saklang towards Chungthang. The third INDUS-X Summit will take place in September this year in the Silicon Valley. The US Department of Defense, along with India's Ministry of Defense, are facilitating dynamic partnerships among defense technology companies, investors, and researchers. In its first year, INDUS-X has advanced both countries' commitment to build a defense innovation bridge under the Initiative on Critical and Emerging Technology (ICET). The International Monetary Fund released its AI Preparedness Index, mapping the world's readiness for artificial intelligence and evaluating the level of AI preparedness for 174 countries. The AIPI dashboard tracks 174 economies based on their digital infrastructure, human capital, labor policies, innovation, integration, and regulation. The index has categorized each country into advanced economy, emerging market economy, and low income country. Singapore, Denmark, and the United States are among the highest rated AEs, with India categorized as an EM with a 0.49 rating. India ranks 72 in a total of 174 countries, with Bangladesh on 113, Sri Lanka on 92, and China on 31. IIT Jammu's SAP Aerospace, led by Dr. Shanmugadas K.P., won the open category of DRDO's Dare to Dream 4.0 Innovation Contest. Their groundbreaking innovation focuses on developing cutting edge aero engines specifically designed for unmanned combat aerial vehicles. By securing this win, SAP Aerospace gains vital resources to further develop their next generation engine solutions, potentially revolutionizing the capabilities and functionalities of combat drones. India is set to bolster its strategic defense capabilities by establishing domestic maintenance and repair facilities for its S-400 Triumph air defense system. According to a source within the Indian defense industry, an agreement is nearing finalization between an Indian company and the Russian manufacturer Almaz Ante. The venture is structured as a joint initiative, with the Russian company providing essential technical expertise and aiding in the setup of the required infrastructure. This collaboration aims to establish a self sufficient framework for maintaining the sophisticated S-400 systems within India's borders. From the global news, DARPA has unveiled a flying wing drone project featuring hybrid electric propulsion that converts fuel to electricity. Being developed under the 4-year-old Series Hybrid Electric Propulsion Aircraft Demonstration Shepherd program, the XRQ-73's maiden flight is expected by the end of this year. It will be a rapidly fieldable Group 3 drone weighing around 1250 pounds. Group 3 drones fly at an altitude of under 18,000 feet and between 100 to 250 knots, 115 miles per hour, and 463 kilometers per hour. Germany's parliament has authorized money for the purchase of the thousands of missiles and the development of a supersonic naval cruise missile. Germany will join forces with Norway in developing the supersonic Trifink missile. Hanwha Aerospace signed a contract with Defense Acquisition Program Administration (DAPA) to supply the first mass production engines for the K21, KF21. The contract is valued around $401 million. The contract period runs from June 24 to December 27, during which Hanwha Aerospace will deliver over 40 F414 engines and spare modules for the KF21, as well as provide engine maintenance manuals and on-site technical support. The supplied engines will be installed in the first batch of KF21, as Hanwha Aerospace is obliged to supplying engines until the end of the KF21 production run as the country's sole aircraft engine manufacturer. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and please do give us your feedback. Thank you.